To change the lock screen toggles on your iPhone, start by unlocking your device. Swipe down from the top left to access the lock screen wallpaper. Tap and hold on the screen to enter Customize mode. At the bottom, you'll see a Customize button. Tap it. You'll then have options for both your lock screen and home screen. Select Lock Screen. Once you're in the lock screen editing mode, look for the toggle icons at the bottom. To remove a toggle, simply tap the minus sign next to it. After removing a toggle, tap the plus button to add a new one. You'll find various toggle options like the flashlight, camera, and shortcuts to apps. If you want a shortcut to an app, tap on Open App to set up a custom app opening, such as launching Instagram directly from the lock screen. When you're satisfied with your new setup, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. Now you can open Instagram directly from the lock screen. And that's it.